Hello students, welcome back to our channel Gyanmanji Online Education. I hope you all are fine and safe at you. So students, today onwards we will go further with our writing for steps for writing. So in our previous lectures we had completed our two steps for writing. So if you have not watched still, then go to your previous lectures and refer it. Okay, so because from today onwards we are going with the third step. Okay, so how will we enhance a descriptive paragraph? In previous lecture we saw that what is descriptive paragraph, how to write a descriptive paragraph. So here we have the steps. So here we have the third step, and that is enhance a descriptive paragraph. Let's see. Features of a strong descriptive paragraph. A good descriptive paragraph contains, here we have the things. It has a clear title at the center. It clearly states the place. Has all the information should be about the topic. Has lots of sensory adjectives based on our five senses of sight, touch, feel, smell and hear. It has correct punctuations. So here we have the good descriptive paragraph qualities. We can say features of a good or a strong descriptive paragraph. डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ की स्ट्रॉन्ग फीचर्स क्या क्या है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये सारे जो है वो है. Now use the self-review checklist given in concept time 8 on SB11 to enhance your descriptive paragraph. तो enhancement के लिए हमारे पास पहले self review checklist होना चाहिए. So we have on SB11. Okay, so here, so let's go with SB11. So before that, you have to write this good descriptive paragraph. A good descriptive paragraph आपको आपकी फेयर बुक में लिखना है. ओके, क्या टाइटल दोगे? फीचर्स ऑफ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ. Okay, and just list all the points in your notebook. Okay, so let's move with our SB11. So here we have a paragraph. The paragraph below has been written using the idea web on the previous page. Means that is our ideation. हमने जो कल देखा था वो है हमारा ideation. Sorry, that is our drafting. ये होगा हमारा drafting. ओके, जो ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर में था वो था हमारा आइडिएशन. फिर ये हमारा आया सेकंड स्टेप. ओके, so that is our second step, and that is our drafting. Now here we have the third part, and it is here self review checklist. So this third step, that is our enhancing self review checklist. We have use the checklist given below to review your descriptive paragraph and enhance it. सो इन्हेंसमेंट के लिए जो क्वेश्चंस हो गए उसके सामने हमें यस या फिर नो का टिक मार्क करना है. राइट, सो द क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन. ओपन योर SB11. Does the paragraph have a clear title and concluding sentences? Yes. Have I added details related to the topic? Of course. Yes. Have I used formal language? Yes. Have I used sensory adjectives to describe the place? Yes. If we have followed all these things, then here there will be right only. If the things will be there, like have I used formal language? If we have not used only formal, then we can just mark like wrong. Okay, so it's our self review checklist. मतलब कि खुद से enhance करेंगे. फिर आता है हमारा पीर रिव्यू एंड फीडबैक चेकलिस्ट, मतलब कि वो होगा हमारा एडिटिंग। सो एडिटिंग के लिए भी ये आएगा। एडिटिंग चेकलिस्ट वी हैव यस और नो। देखो यहाँ पे एडिटिंग में यस और नो आएगा, इन्हेंसमेंट में भी यस और नो आएगा चेकलिस्ट में। बट इन एडिटिंग चेकलिस्ट देयर विल बी अनदर कॉलम ऑफ कमेंट। ओके, तो व्हेन वी विल यूज दैट कॉलम, अब हम लोग कमेंट कब यूज करेंगे? इफ द if here no will be there, then only we will just write something. Okay, for example, is the capital is the capitalization correct? Yes. Are the spellings correct? Yes. Is the punctuation correct? Yes. Have they used adjectives correctly? Yes. So here, if instead of yes, if there will be no, then what will we do? We will just here clear it out that what is the mistake and what is the correct answer. ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे कि ट्राई करो, वर्क हार्ड, ऐसा हम लोग कमेंट में नहीं लिखेंगे, बट व्हाट विल वी राइट? वी मेंशन द राइट आंसर. Okay, so that will be our editing. Okay, so let's go further. So students, here we have a video of how to edit our work. Okay, so kindly watch it. So here your partner's checklist you are going to check in this video, but right now our online classes are there, so you have to check your piece of writing. Okay. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे हमने देखा कि ये पूरे वीडियो में कैसे बताया था कि हाउ टू एडिट अवर डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेल्फ रिव्यू चेकलिस्ट वी विल डू इट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारा जो स्टेप्स होते हैं, सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट वाज एडिटिंग. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्राफिक ऑर्गेनाइजर वी जस्ट प्रिपेयर ड्राफ्ट. तो हो गए हमारे टू पार्ट्स. फिर आता है इनहेंसिंग और फिर आता है हमारा एडिटिंग. ओके, सो यहाँ पे सारा जो मामला है वो ख़त्म होता है, मतलब कि स्टेप्स फॉर राइटिंग वो सब कुछ ख़त्म हो जाता है, बिकॉज नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर पब्लिशिंग. द लास्ट स्टेप फॉर राइटिंग इज पब्लिशिंग. सो सब कुछ हो जाने के बाद ही हमारा राइट piece of writing that will be published. So it's all about today's lecture, students. Let's move further. So students, here you have dictation words. Dictation words list number 1. Okay, so अभी तो हमारा लेक्चर ऐसा नहीं होता है, वरना तो हम लाइव लेक्चर्स में ही ये कंडक्ट करते हैं. But to improve your vocabulary, it is needed. Okay, so that you have to write it down in your Fairbook dictation words. Okay, I will spell it, I will speak this all the words. So the first, that is formidable. Formidable. Second one, obeisance. Obeisance. Conquest. Conquest. Jubilant. Jubilant. Venture. Venture. Reverence. Reverence. Okay, so it's all about our first list of these words. आपको ये आपकी बुक में लिखते जाना है. Okay, just pause the video and then write it down. Okay, so I'm giving you one time for it. Your time starts now. Okay, so I hope you have written, because here we have the second list dictation words. We have first one, humility. Imagination. Imagination. Demonstration. Demonstration. Majesty. Majesty. Brutal. Brutal. Defied. Defied. Glimpsing. Glimpsing. And mystical. Mystical. So it's all about our dictation words and it's all about our today's lecture. So students, ये lecture में हमने बात की है remaining steps for writing. Okay, so after completion of this all the steps, we are able to we are able to publish our own magazine. Okay, so here dictation words and all things are completed. So if you find any difficulties regarding this, you are free to ask me, because here we are going to end up our today's lecture. Thank you, my dear all students, and have a nice day.